All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today, we're going to be talking about Dogelon Mars. That's right, this token is not going to the moon. Its destination is Mars. Also, intergalactic currency. Pretty neat subject. So when we're in the universe, we can have currency. Thank you, Dogelon Mars. Think that's awesome. Also, we're going to be talking about the Staples Center out there in Los Angeles changing its name to Crypto.com. We've been talking about how crypto's not going away anytime soon. They got a 20-year deal that it's going to be called Crypto.com. We're going to dig into that a little bit. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on the channel is to help every single person on the planet to learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, own some cryptocurrency. Also, we want to make sure you share this with your friends. We want everybody else to know about cryptocurrency. So with that, let's go ahead and head over to Dogelon Mars. All right, over here at Coin Market, Dogelon Mars is already the 116th cryptocurrency on the planet. Right now, it's about 15% down in the last 7 days. It's down about 9, almost 10% in the last 24 hours. Now, this is where you got to say to yourself, there's a lot of things that are down 15 to 20% right now. Take a look right above. OX is down 24, almost 25%. 18% down, 18% down, 13% down, 15% down, 22% down. Look at all the red, all the red here. So this is the time, if you want to buy cryptocurrency, everything's at a discount right now. This should actually make everybody happy. You just got to decide which cryptocurrency you actually want to get into. Remember, all our information is for educational purposes only. All right, before I dig into the coin, I want to head over to the Twitter. And right here on the Twitter, it says, Dogelon Mars, thanks for the mention on Binance about Elon. What are meme coins? Binance Academy. Meme coins are cryptocurrency inspired by the internet memes. In the blockchain space, popular meme tokens including Dogecoin. So we're going to click this, and we're going to see what it has to say. But they're actually thanking Binance for mentioning them in this article. So pretty big thing here. Over here at Binance. So you see your different coins here floating around, which is real nice. What are meme coins? Now it's talking about what are meme coins. Couple things. In 2021, the meme coin market saw an explosive growth, especially the dog-themed meme coins. As of November, one of the most popular breeds is Dogecoin and its rival Shiba Inu. Now notice basically it's talking about Ethereum and Bitcoin. It says, why are meme coins so popular? Why it's hard to define the specific reason. Some say that during COVID-19 pandemic, the crypto market grew as retail investors wanted to hedge against inflation. Meme coins also boomed with the hype growing both in market capitalization and variety. It all started with the meme stock of GameStop and the AMC in the late 2020 that this all kind of happened. It says, however, in May of 2021, Elon Musk joked about Doge popularity on TV, and it was talking about basically being the Dogecoin killer, Shiba Inu. So you get a lot of popularity about that. This article also talks about, for example, the Squid Game, how it got the rug pulled out underneath them, and how basically it plummeted by 99%. So it's talking about the Squid Game, not being a good investment. Overall, the popularity of meme coins, it says, are led by Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. After the success of a large number of dog-themed memes coins entered into the market and gained traction in the second half of 2021. So here we go. So first they list Dogecoin, and obviously Dogecoin is big. And then Shiba Inu is right there. Okay, so we know Shiba. Shiba came back, about 6 months ago. Everybody started hearing about Shiba. Now it's just a common thing. Well, guess what else is going to be common? You see it, Dogelon Mars. Dogelon Mars closely follow the doggy duel in terms of popularity. As name suggests, Elon is a name after Tesla CEO Elon Musk and has his passion for the company SpaceX. Elon is a fork of Dogecoin and has a circulation supply of 557 trillion tokens as of November 2021. Elon has surged, look at this. Elon has surged 3,700% since its launch back in April. So since April, basically this coin has exploded. Key thing is Dogelon Mars is thanking Binance for listing them on this article. So here we go. Dogelon Mars, it's up all kinds of percent, 3,700% since its beginning in April. Okay, and now Binance has got articles on Dogecoin and Shiba, and it's talking about Dogelon Mars being right there. All right, back over here at Coin Market, hidden Dogelon. Dogelon Mars, it's down about 9% in the last 24 hours. There's actually 5 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in between, and it's 1601 right this second. It's got a market cap. There's 56, the circulation is at 56% right now at 557 billion. Right now, as you can see on the chart, the coin has been going down slightly. This is the time for the discount, for looking for the discount buy. It's down 15%, but it's getting talked about on Binance. It's getting talked about by everybody. So Dogelon, what is Dogelon? It says, Dear Earth citizens, you may know I have dedicated my life to ensuring humanity becomes a multiplanetary species. This involves work in 4 fronts: interplanetary flight, transforma the planet, sending settlers, and creating an interplanetary currency, the money. That's right, cryptocurrency, Dogelon Mars currency. I'm excited to announce today the launch of a forefront to the mission to Mars. The first interplanetary currency is called Dogelon. Technically, it's a fork of Dogecoin. It's the same sense of a knife is a fork of a spoon. I have named it after the city of the capital of Mars. Hey, everybody, did you know there was a capital? I didn't, but it's called Dogelon. The ticker is Elon, which should help prevent any confusion. I am launching this currency today in anticipation of bringing the first settlers to Mars. A very specific reason: to help people take a trip with me. A lot of good people have hopes of one day reaching Mars. I want to go to Mars. In my opinion, of course, this is very low aspirations. We want to reach Mars and beyond. However, many of those good people are rugged or buy scam tokens and can't be sold. For this reason, the Dogelon community pledges to send tokens over time to victims of rugs and scams so that the worst day of their trading lives can be turned into best. After some time, they will be able to join us on a regular flight to Mars. So Dogelon's got a lot of good things going on for it, a lot of popularity, and a lot of people are talking about it. It's right there behind Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. They're talking about the dog memes. Well, you got the Floki Inu, you got the Dogecoin, you got the Shiba Inu, and of course, you got Dogelon Mars. Jumping over here to Yahoo Finance, it says LA Staples Center is changing its name. You know what it's changing its name to? That's right, Crypto.com Arena is now reported a $700 million deal. Okay, so the Staples Center is going to be renamed to Crypto.com. It says the Los Angeles Staples Center sports venue, the home of the Lakers, the Clippers, the Kings, and the Sparks, will be renamed to Crypto.com Arena. The crypto exchange paid $700 million for a 20-year naming rights to the LA. With the renaming, which kicks off December 25th, the Singapore-based company follows marketing moves by likes of FTX. You know FTX. Tom Brady, he's getting into something. You know, he's calling around to everybody. And what is he getting into? He's getting into cryptocurrency. So FTX is having all these celebrities start to pump the cryptocurrency. Tom Brady, I think you heard about him giving away the football that he got, his 600 touchdown. He gave the fan a Bitcoin for giving it back to him on Monday Night Football with the Manning brothers. So FTX is all over the channel on Sunday and Monday when football is on, talking about what Tom Brady's getting into. So now basically these guys had to make a counter, and they basically did a 20-year deal with the Staples Center. That's no longer the Staples Center. It's going to be called Crypto.com. So you're going to be sitting in the stands, and everybody's going to be like, Crypto.com? And they're going to all learn about crypto. This is fantastic for everybody that's into cryptocurrency. So give us your comments in the bottom. What do you think about the Staples Center being called Crypto.com? Is this something that's good for the market of cryptocurrency? Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. What's our price prediction for Dogelon Mars? There's 5 zeros. I see it by the end of the year or by the first quarter of next year crushing one of those zeros. Only having 4 zeros. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. With every single person pumping this Dogelon Mars, Elon himself is going to tweet this and that. He's got a Shiba Inu puppy. There's just too many people pumping this token. And you know what? it is going to Mars. So when we're in Mars and we're using the cryptocurrency that we're talking about today, we have to say, thank you, Dogelon. All right, at this website, dogelon.io, it's got Dogelon right there. It says get started. It talks about the tokens, what happened with the tokens. It talks about us, dear the Earth citizens, the thing we just read about you. Frequently asked questions. What is Dogelon? So, it's a little bit of a thing here. Think of Dogelon as a fair universe currency for people everywhere. It's not just a meme currency like Doge, Shiba, and Cardano. This is a real project that will consistently evolve. And that the beginnings with undoing the damage that by some scammers, schemers, and bad actors, you may have some questions. The next thing, was there a pre-sale? It says no, before there was no pre-sale. Where can I go to get the Dogelon Mars? It says right here, Uniswap. You can go to Uniswap to get it. Talks about the tokenomics and what happens if you got rugged. So right here, you can kind of check out this website too. Talking a little bit about the Dogelon. Look how he's got his hairdos all sleek. He's in a little tuxedo. Dogelon. Over here, are you really Elon? And it says, yes, my name is Elon. All right, again, over here at Coin Market, Dogelon is at 116 and it's down 15%. I do want to jump over to the top 10 and just show you something real quick. Over here at the top 10, take a look. Bitcoin is down 13%. Ethereum is down 16%. Binance Coin is down 16%. Cardano is down 15%. Solana is down 19%. XRP is down 16%. Polkadot is down 18%. Dogecoin is down 18%. Shiba Inu is down 22%. Now Avalanche is up. My point here, everybody, this is a good time. All the cryptocurrencies are at a discount, right? I mean, most of them. Some of them are up, but most of the cryptocurrencies are at a discount right now. So if you ever wanted to get into any of these coins, here, look, I'm gonna go through 30 to 40 real quick just to show you. Okay, here's 30 through 40. Down 1%, down 18%, down Ethereum Classic, down 16%. Elrond, down 5%. Bitcoin BEP, down 13%. Cosmos, down 20%. I mean, all these Phantom down 30%. So no matter where you go on the charts, there's a lot of red right now. So with all this red, you basically all should have been having different cryptocurrencies on your radar that you kind of like. The cryptocurrencies that you're buying, that you're watching and stuff. And then there should be some cryptocurrencies that maybe one day you would like to buy. You like to stock up on. Well, right now, there's so many of them that are red. So if you have been waiting, this is a good time to basically enter at a different position, lower your average cost of your price. And when this coin, you see what cryptocurrency does. It goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down. So now you can actually get your cryptocurrency at a discount. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Monday through Friday, we're bringing a video every single day around 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Saturdays and Sundays, there's around 3 or 4 o'clock. Once in a while, we're bringing you a bonus video around 7 o'clock Monday through Fridays. Make sure you share this with your friends. Click right here to see our most recent video. And today's Friday, everybody. Let's all have an awesome day today.